Are you confused by all the paint that's at Lowe's? Well, let's fix that right now. From bargain to top shelf, I'll show you which ones are actually worth buying and which ones you should skip altogether. Stay tuned because by the end, you'll never overpay for paint. Let's start with Lowe's entry-level paints. We're talking the Valspar 2000 and the HGTV Home Ovation Plus. Think of these products as a fast food burger. It certainly fills the spot, but it won't impress anyone at the dinner table. Here's the pros of these products. They're very affordable, so they won't break the budget. They're easy to find because you can pick them up at any Lowe's store. They do an absolutely wonderful job for short-term projects or rentals. And they have easy application, which makes them beautiful for beginners. The cons are this. They oftentimes are going to require multiple coats, especially on darker colors. They have very limited durability. This means that scratches and scuffs will show more quickly. The coverage can be inconsistent, possibly leaving some patchy or duller spots. And they're going to be less washable, which means that any stainage will be hard to remove. Now, if you want a meal that really satisfies, it's time to step up to the better category. This will be the Valspar Signature or HGTV Home Showcase. This is the home-cooked dinner. It has better ingredients, it's going to be more satisfying, and sticks around longer with fewer complaints. Here's what we like about these products. They're going to have good coverage, which means you could potentially have fewer coats than the more entry-level products. They have the paint and primer combos, which will save you time. The durability and washability is going to get bumped up a level, and you'll have a much smoother finish, which will make it easier to achieve that professional-looking result. The cons are, obviously, it's going to be more expensive than an entry-level product. Some colors might still need an extra coat when it comes to deeper tones. It can be slightly less forgiving in trickier areas, such as ceilings or corners, and is going to have, we'll just say, more limited premium finishes, especially when you compare it to the top-tier products. Now, if you're aiming for a paint job that truly wows and will last like a professional job, it's time for their best category. This will be the HGTV Home Infinity or the Valspar Reserve. This is going to be the fine dining option at Lowe's. Every detail perfected and worth paying a little extra to make that lasting impression. Here's what you get. Excellent hide, oftentimes minimal coats to be able to cover. Long-lasting, highly durable, and scuff-resistant. A smooth, professional finish. It's going to look like a pro did it. It's more washable and resilient. This is ideal for high-traffic areas. And especially with the Valspar Reserve, they use the hydrochroma technology. This is a water-based colorant system that is going to have super strength pigments. The cons are this. These products are going to be the highest price point for paint at Lowe's. So it's not ideal for budget shoppers. It's a thicker paint, so it could be trickier for beginners to apply perfectly. There are limited color variations on certain finishes when compared to the mid-tier lines, and it could feel like an overkill for a temporary or quick project. Now that you know the tiers, why not check out this video? In it, we compare Lowe's and Home Depot's paints and find out which one is best for your project. I'll make sure I link to it in the description for you. In the meantime, thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.